Hello, today's FPGA story will be a little bit different. We will learn how we can check the result of compilation in Quartus, the software for Intel FPGA. Here I have opened a project with FFT for Intel Max 10. The link to repository is in description. First, in Analyze and Synthesis, we can open Netlist Viewer, RTL Viewer. This is a basic view of our project. You can see here, for example, ABS, it is ABS. Here we can see that it is a register level, also some addition. There also should be some multiplication. Complex multiplication. Here you see multiplication. The higher level is technology map viewer. Here the project is mapped to elements that are already in FPGA structure. So there are registers, there are also lookup tables, and where we go to FFT module in one of the butterflies, somehow here there will be this multiplication, and should find here some DSP module. Here, this DSP multiplication block. Here is post mapping. There is also version post fitting. So each element is has already the place in structure. And also, last thing that we look today is chip planner. Now we see which resources inside FPGA are used. Blue are CLB, here brown it is DSP blocks, and green is memory. We can zoom in and see which register with loose are used. If we zoom further, we can also see the connections. We have layers and routing details. And now you can see what is used, which connections. So it's all for today. I want just show you how you can check how your design was implemented inside FPGA chip. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.